The dog chewed up my girlfriend's laptop wire. I fixed it once before, but I never soldered it together. I just pretty much wired it together, and then I just left it, and I put shrink tube on there. This time I'm going to solder it. But what you do with these kind of wires, okay, you have two different sets of wires. You have one that's wrapped inside a white insulation, okay? You got to make sure that the one that's wrapped in the white insulation and the wires that are outside the insulation do not touch each other, okay? Because then you will not get a good connection. Okay? It'll just short out. Once you've done that, then you would connect the two insulated wires together, and then the two outside wires that are not insulated. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the two insulated wires, and I'm going to connect them together. I'll try to keep it in camera view. Okay. My soldering tips ain't that great, so hopefully I'll just clean them off and they won't give me too much of a problem. Okay. And I'm going to add some flux to it to help the conductive connection. All I'm trying to do is keep the solder going all the way around it. Okay, so that first one's done, as you can see. And now I'll do the same thing with the other one. I'll just twist this together, making sure it stays away from the other wire. So I'll twist it down here, but I think, yeah. So what I wanted to do is put this through here first. Actually, I'll just put it through at the end. What I'll do is I'll put a piece here, like this, just to make sure that it doesn't touch nothing else. I'll cut this off. You don't need that much. Just show where it ends, and just cut it off right there. Make sure it's down there good. You have a lighter on you? Okay, so it's pushed down as far as I can get it. Lighter on there, shrink it down, and that's it. So that should be well protected. That looks like a little bit too much on the end, so I'm probably going to snip that off. I'll just take this, Take the extras off. There. Alright. Now I'm going to flip this down this way so it's not going in this wrong, because you want, as best as possible, not to keep these touching together. I'm going to stick this shrink tube over it, and hopefully I can get it to go over the whole thing. Just take it and I hope. Yeah, so close. Let's see, about that much excess, so I'm going to cut that off. Heat this up a little more. Alright, so that should be done. Now I'll try it out. What that? There's no room up here. I need a bigger table. Alright, I'm going to plug that in there. And plug it into the wall. And do we got power? And we do. There is power. So, all is good. Just let it charge, and that's the end of this one.